everyone, and welcome to SQM Picks. I'm David Lipton. SQM Picks highlights businesses that provide outstanding customer service or have interesting products. Businesses that have been featured range from small mom-and-pop companies to some of the larger international brands. Highlighted companies come from a number of different industries, including restaurants, retail stores, medical officers, lawyers, and various tourist attractions. We've also featured an auto body shop and a junkyard, which just goes to prove that any business can provide outstanding service. Our feature company today is Almaty Security and Locksmiths. The company provides locksmith and security system services to homes and businesses in the GTA. The business is owned and operated by Jeff Yan and has been around for over 10 years. Jeff learned the trade in Ottawa, where he worked for several years before moving back to Toronto. He's extremely knowledgeable, helpful, and a pleasure to deal with. In addition to providing great service, Jeff is always looking for ways to save his customers money and keep the cost of repairs or new installations as low as possible. For more information about the company, you can visit their website at almatysecurity.ca or call them at 437-223-2585. If you know of a company that provides great products or amazing service, please send us an email to sqmpicks@sqm.ca. Thanks for watching, and look for another episode of SQM Picks shortly.